Intel RealSense technology is all about interfaces, right? So it's built on this idea of a depth camera, which is different than a regular camera, because a regular camera can only see color, but a depth camera can sense distance in real time. And we're building these depth cameras into a number of different devices. The short-range depth camera is meant to face a person as they're using a computer, so a notebook or an all-in-one. And the depth camera is designed to learn all about that person, to learn the person's communication style and provide a more natural way to interact with a computer. So on a notebook or an all-in-one, the depth camera can understand a user's hands in 3D space. So we actually track all 22 joints in your hands to build 3D interfaces based upon that interaction. We can understand a user's face, so we can track 78 points on a user's face, as well as the 3D movement of their head to build interfaces that respond to what you're looking at, the position of your head. And also we use the depth camera to infer emotion of the user as well. So say, for example, a user is confused. We can now build interfaces that can recognize that confusion and offer a user help before they even ask for it. We've also got a longer range depth camera. This camera is useful because it faces the environment and allows you to use devices like tablets in entirely new ways. So one of the things you can do with the longer range depth camera is you can take measurements, which you can see here as we measure this box in real time. Additionally, with the long range camera, we can do something called 3D scanning, which is really cool. It's basically a way to make a 3D model out of something that you see in the world. So almost like a 3D picture.